Hi, my name is Paul H. I am the Operations Manager of the Trades and Roofing Divisions here at Kent Hall. Today we're going to talk about asbestos, specifically asbestos you may come across whilst working here at Kent Hall, and most importantly, what to do if you come across it. Before we get into things, please note that this presentation is not asbestos training. This presentation was purely made for awareness purposes at Kent Hall. Chances are, if you have been working in your profession for a few years, you've probably already come across some asbestos in your day-to-day. I know I have. Asbestos is a building product that has been used since the 1800s, but was most likely and commonly used between the 1960s and 1980s, especially in building materials and plumbing products in Australia. At a certain point, we came to find out that asbestos fibres can be very dangerous to your health if inhaled. However, when handled correctly, the risk can be controlled and managed. Here are some of the common places you may find asbestos: eave linings, hot water flues, water pipes, hot water lagging in wall chases and ceilings, insulations on and around hot water elements, roof sheets and gutters, wall sheets in wet areas and kitchens, roof shingles, gaskets, asbestos rope around gas heater doors and flues, vinyl floor tiles, and unfortunately, much more. Let's get into a few pictures of practical examples you may see in the field. Super 6 roof sheeting and asbestos shingle tiles. Pebblestone infills, fibre cement cladding, flat sheeting, imitation brick cladding. Popcorn ceilings are really dangerous and friable. Eave linings, hot water flues, pipe insulation and gaskets, asbestos lagging around hot pipes. This will be most prevalent in bathroom renovations and internal plumbing works on solid brick walls. Old hot water units, the internal insulation was often friable asbestos. Cookers and heaters around the door seals. Floor coverings, specifically vinyl sheets and vinyl tiles. In some scenarios, the vinyl will be the actual asbestos. In many, it will actually be the glue underneath, which is black and rubbery in consistency. It will flake if you touch it. The insulation board or the zelemite backing in a switchboard for electrical. What to do if you find asbestos? If you're in doubt, treat it as if it is. Stop work immediately and notify your supervisor or office team. Isolate the area, cordon it off, and prevent all access by placing a clear sign on the door saying possible asbestos, do not enter. Warn anyone who may be affected, including those not currently on site. This may be the owners or tenants. It may be people that have worked on site during that day. You need to contact any necessary persons who are off-site by the phone if needed. You can always contact the office to make sure they can assist with this. If you believe you have found friable asbestos, it is important that you spray paint this to encapsulate any fibres and stop all room access immediately, and nobody is to enter site without an asbestos specialist attendance. Sampling must be done safely. If we believe we found asbestos, it's important to follow the below process to ensure we are not exposing anybody else to any potential asbestos fibres. You wear appropriate PPE, such as a P2 mask, disposable gloves and disposable coveralls. And if you are taking a sample, you lightly mist the area with water. You use a hand tool only, no power tools here. So an example may be a screwdriver or a chisel. Remove a small piece about the size of your fingernail. You double bag it in Ziploc bags, and it's important that you label it with the address and the sample location. The location being bathroom wall or external wall to the rear. You send the sample or take it for urgent testing at WSP Asbestos Testing, which is in the city, or another local testing facility. We do have an account at WSP. It'll make it very easy. You ask for an urgent sample and you provide your install manager's email for the results. When it comes to asbestos, if in doubt, treat it as if it is asbestos. Your operations manager and your office team are always there to support you if you have any questions. Working in our industry comes with risks, but by staying informed and following the correct procedures, we can help keep ourselves, our teams, and our customers safe.